Hello guys, nice to see you in this tutorial for the mathematical language as a part-time for the algebra substitutions. In this part will be also continue for what you take it in the part 1 for the last video for the introduction algebra in mathematical language. I hope to enjoy with me and you listen carefully and see carefully. And please don't forget to support this channel by subscribe and like for that. And if you have any question or any things you want to ask about me, you can write in the comment. And thank you so much. This is very important for me. Thank you. Now we'll be start about that in order to know about what is the meaning about algebra substitutions. This is the part of the mathematician in the topic in order to change or replace the value for the invalid letters like x equal 3, y equal 1/2, like this, in order to place this in the equation or for any question in this algebra. We'll be seeing the example and we'll be see there some practice to you can you do it and you can write and return back or search about this is for the resource on the website or anywhere you can find and more understand for the substitution. This is substitution using for not only in the mathematics, that is using for the company, for the instructors, for the so many this method use it in the live, but we are now speaking in the algebra department for that. That's why. Thank you. Substitution is meaning to put in the place of the another's. You see, this is the simple meaning about the substitution. Notice it's an algebra substitution meaning putting number where the letter are, يعني in order to replacement the number instead of the letter in the equation or in the question for the mathematics. السبستيوشن هو عبارة عن عملية تعويض أو إحلال رقم محل الحرف اللي موجود في السؤال، وهذا يعطى عادة في السؤال أو في القيمة أو في الفورمولا أو في equation or anywhere in this question you will be seen now in this example. For that, first things like this is when we have it, that's why we have it like this is x minus 2. Here x is a variable, we don't know what is the meaning about this is change always. This change always depending about the equation. الx هنا قيمة متغيرة لا نعرف قيمتها لا نعرف معناها لا نعرف دلالتها، والمطلوب هو تعويضها بقيمة معينة أو إيجاد قيمتها or to find this is value for the x. Second things, and we know that x equals 6 because we get this is x equals 6. That's why when we know this x equals 6, we replace 6 instead of x here. So we can substitute in 6 for x like that. After we give me this x equals 6, that's why I am remove x from here and added 6 instead of this. So 6 actually is minus 2 equal 4. This is the normal things about it. When 6 minus 2 is equal normally 4. This equation, this is the right. You see, there's 3 methods here in order to know about what is the meaning about substitution. When x equal 2, this is example. What is? This is example. X here equal 2. What is the value about that question? We get this 10 over x plus 4. He tell me here x equal to, that's why I replace this is 2 instead of x in order to see what is coming. Put the where this is x is now and is become like this is now. You see, x is gone because I am replaced by 2 instead of x. It's become 10 over 2 plus 4. Here, normal fraction, you can do it this normal fraction, you can see is 5 plus 4 equal 9. 5 is coming from where? Because x, to cancel it, 1. How many 2 in the 10 is 5. That's why is 5 plus 4 equal 9. This is the last result. Second example. In second example, when x equal 5, what is the value about this? X plus x equals 2. Same process here. You, instead of x equal 5, I put 5 here. You see, here, this is, you put 5 is this x here. That's why he's become 5 over 2. 5 plus 5 over 2 equal, here is become the decimal. Why is become decimal? Because I divided 5 divided 2, it's become 2 half. This 2 half meaning, that's why 5 plus 2 half is become 7 half is decimal. This normal, and don't worry about this. You must do revision for the fraction. You know about how you do it. This in added, in subtract or multiply or divided the fraction. You must to know this before. We have so many video in my channel. That's why you can return and back and to see. Third example, you can see this is if x equal 3 and y equal 4, then what is this value for this equation? Here, some question, we have many letters. You want to looking about the value about it. That's why he give me in the question here, x equal 3 and y equal 4. That's why I replace or take this and replace instead of the letter in the equation. You see this equation here, x squared plus xy. That's why he tell me x equal 3. That's why I am replace x here. He said 3 squared plus 3 time y. Here meaning time, x time y. This normal. Yani this normal when you see this is my video in my channel about the bod math. Bod math you start for this is meaning x time y. Now I am replace this. I get a new equation about I know after I replace this I get this is you see x squared because x is 3 that's why 3 squared plus xy that's why x time y because y here she said 4 x and 3 that's why 3 times 4. I make this is normally process. This is 3 squared meaning 3 times 3 is become 9 and 3 times 4 is 12. This 3 I am here simplify, that's why I say 3 times 3. And after this is we get the 9 because 3 times 3 9 plus 4 plus 12 is become 21. If x is 3, put where you do know y. Then what is? Here he tell me the x equal 3, but we don't know the y. If this question he not give me the y, you must I found the value about x, and from the value about x I found the y. هنا في هذا السؤال هو شوية بتريكي يعني بنوع من الحزورة. في البداية علي أن أجد قيمة x بالمعادلة وأوصلها، ومن قيمة x أجد قيمة y، ومن قيمة x أجد قيمة y، وهسه راح نشوف شلون. And now we'll be see how it. This same question, he said x squared plus xy. That's why I replace x here. This first things I must to find the value about x. Here, this x is become 9. This x squared meaning x times x. Here, x times x is become 9 plus 3y plus 3y. So in normal equation, this normal equation here, x plus 3y, I take it, I divided x, I divided 9 for the value about the y, because here 3y, yani y 3 times. So that is as far as we can get like this. As that last example, however, this is when you are always get the number for the answer. Sometimes just is a simplify the formula, simple formula. I see simplify this to this formula. So in the negative number, here in the negative number, when substitution negative number, put around them to this get the calculations and write about it. You see this example, you see this here I have this is if the x equal minus 2, then what is the 1 plus minus x plus x squared? Here he said the x equal minus 2. That's why also I replace this x in here, any x here in this equation, I replace here and replace here to get 1 minus, he said x how much is minus 2, here is minus 2, plus this plus x square, this minus 2 square, minus 2 squares become 1 times minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1. This is for the how you are added and subtract and multiply and division the numbers, the negative or the positive number. You can return back to this video. I have this video how you are use this, and after that is become 1, because 1 times this is become 1 plus minus 2, this minus 2, because this minus time minus is become plus, minus time minus is become plus 2 times square, minus 2 is minus time minus is become plus 2 square is 4. You see, now it's become 3 plus 4 is become 7. Here you know how he's coming this. I repeat, this is fast. Minus 1, sorry, 1 plus 1, because this is here plus 1, minus time minus is become plus 2 plus minus time minus, because here square is become plus 2 times 2 is become 4, and this simplify this. When I simplify this, I get this. In order the total result, the last end of the total, I hence this 7. I hence 7. In that last example, to see about this, the minus 2, the minus time minus become plus 2. You see, I explain here to you. Minus time minus 2 is become plus 2, because minus time minus is become plus. The minus 2 square become 4. Why? Because this meaning, what is meaning minus 2 square? Meaning minus 2 time minus 2. The minus will minus is plus. 2 times 2 is become 4. Because of this special rule, for the how you use the negative number, added, subtract, multiply, division the negative number. You can return to the video in the channel. Plus, for this plus, I just only simplify or explain to you more, explain for that in order to revision for the how you use this. To like sign become a positive sign, this positive sign here. Adding or subtract, you see, adding or subtract, you can get like this, 3 plus 2 equal 3 plus 2 equal 5. Here 3 because this plus, this is always plus. Here 6 minus 3 is 6 because minus with minus is become plus and 3 is become 9. You see, this 6 minus minus is become plus, 3 is equal 9. Multiply and division. We have here multiply and division. You can see is the different. 3 times 2 is become 6. This positive number. Minus 3 time minus 2 minus time minus is a plus. We not write here because this meaning plus. 3 times 2 is become 6. You see? In negative. Second rule. To like is sign is become a negative sign. Negative sign is become also here and same in added and subtract we get 7 plus minus 2 equal 7. Equal, sorry, 7 plus with minus is minus 2 is become 5. Do you know how is come this 5? Minus, this is sign. This sign how you come? Because this plus with minus is become minus. 2 is become 5. Say 8 minus plus 2 equal 8 minus plus minus 2 equal 7. Sorry, this not meaning multiply. This normal. This adding or subtract. This not multiply. Here multiply, but I put in the bracket in order to make separately, in order to know about it. Here, you see, 3 times minus 2 equal minus 6. How come this? Because this 3 plus this plus 3 times minus 2 is become minus 6. Minus 3 times 2 equal minus 6 also because here 2 is a plus. That's why minus 3 times plus 2 is become minus 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And minus times plus is minus because here we not write here plus. We write just only if you see any number without any sign or symbol, meaning this is plus. Question 1. I give you this is question in order to try to make practice in order to solve and write the answer to me in the comment, please. If the x equal 5 and y equal 6, what is 2x minus 12 over y? 12 over y. This fraction, here, this fraction. 2x minus 12 over y. This question you can try just only normal things because he give me this is x5 and y6. Just only I replace the value about the each letter instead of the number. That's why I will be simplify the about this question after that normal process. Question 2, please. If x equal 5 and y equals 6, what is 2x minus 12 over y? Here is give me different number in order to write for it the same, please. You can write it. The same question for you. Two questions same in order to try to solve this 2 times. We have here 2 way. We have here for this question same, we have 2 way to solve this. I need show this in the comment, please. Example 1 here to more information, more knowledge about how we are solve any substitution in the algebra. Here he asked me, we are asked to solve this is a system of the equation. An equation in the algebra, it have them some system or some method to solve an equation, depending about the question for this equation. Here I have 3x plus y equal minus 3. I want to solve this system for this equation. He tell me x equal minus y equal 3. You see? The second equation is solved for x, so we can substitution of expression minus y plus 3 in the x in the first equation. Here he tell me in the question as this x equal minus 3 plus 3, sorry, this is plus should be minus y plus 3 here. This the value, this is the value of x, this is the value of x. I am here is sorry about it. This should be here should be plus, here should be plus. Sorry about this mistake. Here should be plus. Now we get this value about x minus y plus 3. This is here. Now I want to replace this value of x in this equation. You see 3x plus y equal minus 3. Y 3x plus y equal minus 3. This is the equation. I replace the value of x here. I said 3 times minus y plus 3. This is the value of x he give me here. I get minus 3. Now 3 times minus y is 3 minus 3y. 3 times 3 is plus 9 because this minus 3 times minus 3 is become plus 3. Sorry, plus 3 times plus 3 is become plus say 9 plus y plus 3. That's why is I simplify this because I take this is to here from this way and get this minus 3. So now I simplify this. I get 3 minus 3y plus y is become minus 2y because here is cancelled. Is 2y equal minus 12 minus 12 because plus 3 with plus minus 3 is become minus 12. Here minus 2y, I divided the 12, divided the value of y, it's become this 6. Yani I do it, this is for you also. I try to do it, this is for you. In order to more understand, I said 12 over 2 y equal this cancel it. This is become 6 and this 1. That's y equal 6. Plug this value back into one of our beginning equation away. Now I am taking this value of y, I putting here, you see. After that I found the value of y, I putting here in the beginning for the equation in order to see. Now is x equal minus y, this value of x. We solve for this is all of equation. Sorry, I get this is x minus y plus 3, this value of x. And x equal minus 6 plus 3. Do you know why is coming? Because this is I am get here y, this the value of y. The value of y is 6 minus 6. That's why I change this value of y instead of 6. Sorry, the y I get 6 instead of y here, and this is equation because I get 6y value, and plus a 3 is become x equal minus a 3. Now I have y equal 6 and x equal minus 3. So the solution of this system of equation is x equal minus 3 and y equal minus 6. I have two value for x and y. Here we can check our work by the plugging this number back to the original question. Let's try. This original question about me. Now I'm replace this letter by the value x equal minus 3, y equal 6 because I get it before. We see 3 times minus 3, this value of x, plus y, the 6 equal minus 3. So now I simplify this, I get minus 9 plus 6 equal minus 3. So minus 9 plus 6 equal minus 3 because I take it the symbol for the big number equal minus 3. So yes, our solution check out now is right. You see minus 3 equal minus 3. I give you this question in order to try make more practice, and if you have any difficult or if you have the result about this question, you please write to me in the comment, and thank you so much. And you can also repeat this video time by time in order to more understand, or you can get the resource for algebra substitution from the website in order to take it more knowledge about how you solve any problem in the mathematics. You see about this is a question. For that, he said in order to get the value for x and value of y from this equation. Here ask me, you give me the value of x and value of y from this question. Same the process when you get about this question. Question 2, same the problem. Same they ask me, he says value of 8y plus this 47 when y equal 3 and z equal 7. Here he give me just the value about the y equal 3 and z equal 7. This is very simple and very easy for you, but just make a practice in order to just replace this z and y instead of 3 and 7 instead of y and z. This means multiply and this multiply and process normally simplify, please. And you can I see your answer in the comment. Thank you so much. Now, thank you for watching about this video. This is the last part of 2, and we'll be start for part 3 in algebra introduction, introduction algebra, in order to know about how you solve any problem in algebra by part. After that will become very good in the algebra. Algebra is easy. And don't forget to support me by this is. For that I am